Are you experiencing fatigue, tiredness, depression, joint pains, night sweat, weight gain, especially around your midsection? Chances are you might be going through menopause. If that's the case, it's time to kick back with one of nature's natural remedies. Hi, my name is Dion, who some people call me Queen D. Welcome to another episode of Dion's Kitchen, where I show you how to cook vegan, vegetarian, and healthy Caribbean food. Today's video is about a natural ingredient that can help you with one of the symptoms of menopause. A lot of people know that ginger is great for digestion and upset stomach. But what they do not know is that ginger is great for hot flashes. When I started experiencing hot flashes, one of the main things that I found that worked for me was 100% pure ginger shots. I got really excited when I saw that this was working, and I shared with my friends who was also experiencing menopause. I was so happy when they told me about the result, that it was helping them also. So today I want to share with you how I do my ginger shots. In today's video, all you're going to need is one ingredient: ginger. All I'm going to do is just simply feed it through my normal juicer, and you will get 100% pure unadulterated ginger juice. I am using organic ginger because sometimes the ginger have pesticides and stuff on it. To clean my ginger, I have soaked it in water overnight with white vinegar to make sure that it is very clean. And then in the morning when I get up, I rinse it with cold water and just leave it to air dry until I am ready to feed it through my juicer. Alright, let's do this! What I'm going to do is just simply feed the ginger through the top of it. I wish you could smell this. It smells so potent and powerful. This is 100% ginger juice. Here's what I do when I am drinking my ginger juice. I drink it straight up, 2 tablespoons, one in the morning and one at night before I go to my bed. If this is too strong for you, what you can do is just add it to a small amount of juice, and then that will take away a little bit of the potency, but you will get the benefit from the ginger. Wait, do not throw away the pulp or the trash of the ginger. I would say, to me, it's gold. This is better than any store-bought ginger that you will ever get to make ginger tea. What you can do is simply boil a pot of water, a cup of water, add a little bit of your ginger to it, cover it, and just let it steep for like around 5 minutes, and you will have ginger tea. And guess what? Even though the juice is extracted from this, it's still so potent and strong. So no dash it where, no throw it where. Thank you so much for stopping by Dion's Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and share it with a friend, especially if you know anybody who is experiencing menopause. Share it with them. And if you have not subscribed us yet, please press the subscribe button. Thank you so much. one of the symptoms.
Okay.
Symptoms